we'll start.
Okay, today here I'm going to explain about the access specifier. Okay, which is into Python, right? You
Yeah.
wanted to know.
Yes, yes.
So generally, the Python access specifier. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah, which generally indicate the visibility of attributes and methods.
Okay.
Okay. Hope you heard about the public, protected, private, right?
Yeah.
So generally, these are the major things about the access specifiers.
Mm-hmm.
Coming into the public, okay,
Okay.
public, public, the members. What you can consider here, either attributes and methods. Okay, the members with no identifiers, prefix or suffix. You know what exactly the prefix or suffix?
Prefix. Yeah.
That underscore we will put right
Uh,
before underscore.
okay. I can write one class and I can explain,
Yeah, class you can write. Okay.
and I can define constructor, right? Okay.
You can just simply
Yeah. Yeah. Here in that one, what is access specifier? How we need to define? Just let me know here.
yeah, here it won't comes on, it is actually a constructor.
Yeah.
Okay, different, like you have done by written that init, right, which is going to initialize and which is going to help to create an object for the particular class like A.
Okay.
Okay, which is not actually a access specifier. Okay, below that write one again one function
Okay.
def.
Okay.
uh, you can write one public method or public.
I can define the public right directly.
You can mention some any name, no issues, simply you
Okay.
take.
Okay. Display I can mention. Okay.
Okay, you just in that you can, because you are going to return something, no.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can hello, read.
Yeah.
Self is not required, huh?
Self required. I will define the self also here.
Yeah, yeah. And just return something message like in double quote anything.
Okay.
You mentioned that this is a public access specifier.
How I need to mention that public specifier?
I will tell you the difference here. I am saying you mentioned right.
Hmm.
Return hello world
Okay.
instead of hello world. Type there. This is pu- public access specifier.
This is public access. Okay, just I have written that song. Okay.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Come, write one again another function.
Okay.
Define.
What I can give name?
Okay, you just mention single
Single underscore. Okay.
any name, function name.
Okay. Display one I can give. Okay.
Same like that. Only you display self and return. This is protected access specifier.
Okay. Access. Okay.
Another function
Okay.
double underscore
Okay.
any method see any function name.
Display two I will mention here. This is protector private.
private.
Yeah, okay.
Can you make it a little large your screen like control plus so that I can able to see clearly?
1 minute. Just
Okay.
this is fine.
Yeah, this is fine now.
Hmm.
Uh, yeah, I hope you can able to see some difference all those major thing public, protected, and private.
Okay.
Okay, you
Yeah.
know, in all those, what actually it is specifying, there is a difference like underscore. In
Mm-hmm.
one, in public, there is no underscore. In protected, there is a single underscore. That too, it is a prefix. You know, prefix is before, suffix is after,
Okay.
and you can see in another function there is a double underscore prefix,
Yeah.
which means that is a private.
Okay.
These are the major. If suppose public, members with no identifier, either prefix or suffix,
Okay.
okay, are those considered as a public. and
Okay.
and the major is which can accessible from outside of the class also.
Okay. Now I can access. I can display.
Yeah.
Okay. What I can give values one math one values I create. I can just access. I'm directly printing values. Values dot. I can which function I can call here. Display I can call. First I can display. I can call one and display one I can call, that is protected. Private also I can call. It is right what I am writing.
Because that is not accessible from outside of the class. Still you are in inside of the class, hope you remember.
I mean inside of the classes, so that's why it is accessible, right?
Correct.
Yeah, I can run and I will check. Okay, what is the input is get. I'm getting missing argument name and so I don't want, I am not using anything, so I'll give pause only this. I don't want.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, this is right.
Yeah. Do you think is that correct you have created?
See, I created like that. It is right or I'm missing anything wrong?
What exit? Yeah, what actually it is showing?
Error.
What error it is showing?
Attribute A object has no attributes displayed to. Display to is there. Means outside of class we cannot okay, we cannot call the private access modifier, right?
Okay, can you just make a comment of it and just run display and display
Okay.
one?
Yeah, it is running printing. It means address printing.
Give some value to that, like something it should return the message actually, right?
Yeah.
Why it is not directly you are returning that this is public access, private access?
I need to pass values anything. No, no, I'm not doing anything, right? Now we.
You can't pass.
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
Now you can just print that, like the way can you try to print the display to also?
No, it is not. Outside of the functions we cannot call, right? That is a
Yeah, you
protect.
you got it.
Yeah, I got it.
These are the only access specifiers.
Okay.
By access specifiers in terms of by mentioning underscores.
Okay.
And here you just I just wanted to explain things. What I can say, these conventions are there, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Which not means particularly we should use or we should not use. It is more about, we are trying to give signal to the other developers. Suppose even I'm also developer, you are trying to say that how certain methods or
Mm-hmm.
function members are treating, like whether it is a public, whether it is a private, or whether it is a protected.
Okay, okay, fine. I understand
Mm,
this one. So, oops, what I understand, I will do give the short descriptions. Like, see, whenever we create specifier means, like we are creating a class, and in these classes we are defining private, protect, and private and protect, and public access. This, this whatever the method is there, we can access any other classes outside also, means like I can create another classes and I can access this method, but whatever the protected things is there, this one we cannot access the outside of the classes. That is, I'm right?
okay.
It is clear, right?
Yeah, correct. Generally, we can say public, private, protected. We can say likely, but here you majorly you understood, right? Last note I mentioned.
Yeah.
You're trying to give signal to the other developers that I mentioned here. It is a protected, it is a private, it is a public, with the help of suffix and prefix. What is that
Okay.
suffix and prefix? Example, in the
Before.
second function, that is a protected by, mentioning single underscore suffix,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
sorry, prefix.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
it is prefix.
Yeah.
Double underscore prefix, which is for display to, which is a private access specifier. We are just giving like conventions to the developers to understand better.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I understood this one. Yeah. Thanks. I will discuss next topic. Just I'll